Next, we will show you how to assemble the digital X-ray holder. The color coded is still the same as the manual one. Let me just remind or recap. The red one is for Bitewing. The blue one is for periapical anterior. The yellow one is for periapical posterior. One thing about digital X-ray, you will use the same locator ring, because at the locator ring there is color coded already for you to use according to the designated holder, and you will use the same digital sensor, right? Unlike the manual one, you have the film and you have to get a new film if you want to take a new X-ray. But for digital X-ray, you will use the same sensor for all type of X-ray, for all type of image, and for all type of whether it's Bitewing or periapical, anterior or posterior, right? I would like to share with all of you the cost of this digital sensor is around 30 to 35K. So please be gentle with this sensor. Okay? Right, now Encik Firdaus will show to you how to assemble the digital X-ray if you want to take the Bitewing radiograph. Get the holder, put the sensor in the holder. Okay, make sure the wire is opposite the tube. Alright. Check the locator ring for Bitewing. Place the holder. Right, again, it's the same concept with the manual X-ray. Make sure the sensor is located within the locator ring. If you see the sensor is not within this diameter, that means something is not right with your assembling. You have to adjust it to make sure that the sensor is within this diameter. We'll show you how to take digital X-ray for posterior anterior tooth. Get the holder. The locator ring, again, observe the color for periapical. Digital sensor. When you want to take periapical, please note where the digital sensor is placed. Look, it is not centrally located. Rather, it is placed a little bit higher, like that. This is to ensure that the image falls again within this diameter. How to assemble the digital X-ray holder for posterior, periapical posterior tooth. Get the holder. You want to place the digital sensor for posterior periapical. Please note, do not slide the sensor and place it center in the holder, but rather put it a little bit higher, because remember, you want to take periapical, you want the whole tooth to be captured. Okay, then to get the locator ring, again observe the color coded. This is periapical, yellow color, so place the holder, slot in the locator ring. Right. Ensure the sensor ring within the diameter so that you won't get cone cutting. Right, this is for upper left tooth and lower right tooth. Okay, to take X-ray of the upper right, you need to change the orientation. First, change the digital sensor. And then change the orientation of the locator ring. Right, now we can take the upper right posterior tooth and lower left posterior tooth.
Yeah.
Okay.